honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I want to show y'all this haul I got. I ordered from this company that one of my daughters is a distributor. I guess that's what you call it. Well, she's a distributor at this company called Melaleuca. And she said if I joined now, I can join for $1. It's usually $19 a year. So you can join and then buy their products at discount. Okay? So I did because it was only $1 to join. So these are the products I got. Okay, so I'm going to go through them with you one by one. Starting with this body wash, which I love. I've used it about 5 times already. And you don't need very much. You wet your poof or your washcloth. Good. Put a little bit of this on it. And it'll keep lathering and lathering and lathering. So I love it. And the smell is wonderful. I got pear raspberry. I love it. And I can just leave this open like this in the bathroom. And then when I go in the bathroom, I can smell this. Now, I would take the top off, but I'm scared it might get knocked over. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Whew. So I really like this. Pear raspberry. It's a body wash by Sun Valley. Looks like that. Something else that I really like. Which one of these toothpastes I've been using? Okay, they're toothpaste. Well, it's called fluoride tooth polish. So these come like 3 for, I forgot what 3 of them cost, but it come like in packs of 3. And I was hoping it would be good. This is the best toothpaste I have ever used. I don't have naturally white ivory teeth, and I have to wear certain lipsticks to make my teeth appear whiter than they actually are. This toothpaste, what does it claim to do? It claims to whiten teeth, which it does. Removes plaque, freshens breath, fights cavities, fights tartar. I just know when I use it, my teeth have gotten visibly whiter and I feel like I just came from the dentist from getting my teeth cleaned and polished. My teeth are so nice and smooth, all on the inside of these bottom teeth. You know, your tongue hit the back of your teeth. So nice and smooth. And I've just been using this about, 5 days now. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I will continue buying their toothpaste. So what flavor is this? I've been using the fluoride toothpaste. And then they also have a whitening toothpaste. So I haven't even used this one yet. With the green top. So I got 2 of these, 1 of these. And it has a nice fresh taste to it. I'm sure I like this just as much. Okay, what else can I talk about? Some Revive room spray. Okay, I bought this and it's in the Island Sunset scent. And when I was buying it, I didn't know that I also had to buy a refill bottle with the spray. But they just happened to throw this bottle in here and I didn't know why. So I asked my daughter. She said, "Did you pay $1 extra for the pump spray? I said, no, I didn't see that. So I bought me one on Amazon, an empty bottle, and I poured half of this in here. So this sprays out into a nice fine mist. I'll show you. I don't want to spray my table, and I got to clean it. Did y'all see the mist? Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Like I said, this is the Island Sunset scent by Revive. Woo! So I bought this from Amazon. Came 2 in a set for $10. I like the fact that it sprays into a mist, or you can turn it so it can spray into a stream. But I needed a mist, so it don't wet up everything when I spray it. Very satisfied with this. Something else that I got, foaming hand wash refill. Big old giant bottle. So y'all know what I showed y'all last week, I had bought this automatic foaming hand wash dispenser. So I got it in my bathroom right now. So I'll be putting some of this in it when the other stuff is out. What flavor is this? Pomegranate sage. This is 30 ounces. And I haven't taken the top off yet. Peeled this off. And I can smell this through the bottle. It smells so good. So I can't wait to use it. Nice big bottle. What else? Got me some calcium. Yeah, I got me some calcium. Because I already take vitamin D. So Walter takes vitamin D, and the doctor put him on calcium and vitamin D. So I got me some calcium. So they got the same statistics on it that's on his bottle that he taking. So I said, why not? I ordered from them. So how many in here? 120 tablets. Of course, they look like horse pills, but all calcium pills do. Big, as long as they do the job. Big old pill. Mine ain't as big as what Walter be taking. He got his from somewhere else. Okay. Okay, I needed some more stuff to wash my clothes with. So these are little, I haven't even opened this yet. These are little pods called Mellow Bright Plus Oxy. It cleans, it's chlorine bleach free. It cleans, whitens, and it's a deodorizer. So throw it in your washer and wash your clothes. So this is not going to have your clothes all stained up. I haven't used it yet, but so far I'm loving everything else that I've bought. It's called Mellow Bright Plus Oxy. Let me open it. Like a little packet of detergent for your washer. Okay. And how many in here? 20. 20 packs. Okay. Let's see, which one did I open? This one. Got me some of these wipes for just wiping off stuff around the house. Tough and Tender multi-surface wipes. It's 30 pre-moistened biodegradable wipes. No bleach, no ammonia, no formaldehyde, no phthalates or parabens. Okay, so I got 2 of these. Nice big wipes. And these smell good at this size. This ain't for your skin, ain't for your body. It's for wiping stuff around your house. They also sell stuff that disinfects stuff. I didn't get those, but when I order again, I will. Like you can't go to the store and find no Lysol or alcohol or hand sanitizing wipes, but this company has them. So I should have got it when I ordered. So I got 2 packs of these. Got some fabric softener sheets called Mellow Soft. They smell good. And they look just like regular fabric softener sheets. So I got 2 boxes of this. And one thing that I bought that works, but I don't like the smell of it. The deodorant. Herbal deodorant. 24-hour odor protection. It's 2 ounces. It looks like this. So roll on. I just don't like the smell of it at all. Like I said, it does work. Can't stand the smell of it. I've used this about 4 times already. I don't like the smell of it. It does kind of go away once you had it on. You know, a little while, the smell goes away. But I don't like the initial smell of it. So, I'm just being honest, y'all. Now, a man would probably like the smell of it. So I'm not going to throw it away or anything. Because like I said, it works. And it's 2 full ounces, so that's a nice amount. So they sent me, since I did pay the $1 membership fee for the year, they sent me a leadership book. I didn't get a catalog. I wish I had gotten a catalog so it'd make it easier for me to order some more stuff. But they tell how to be a leader and show this stuff, which, you know, I'm not interested in selling it, but like I said, my daughter, she's a distributor. I guess that's the word for it. And it came in this box, and I got my order within, I think, 3 days. It came real fast. I was shocked to get it so fast. So anyway, this is my Melaleuca haul. And everything is thumbs up, except for the smell of this one thing. But I love, love, love everything else. So that's a lot of stuff. Okay, well, thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Stay in and stay safe. Oh yeah, okay, since my daughter is a distributor, a working distributor of this stuff, I'm leaving a link to her email address in my description box under the video. Because like I said, I ain't interested in selling it or nothing. I just thought y'all want to see a haul of stuff that really works. And my oldest daughter, Nicole, you know, she said Cheryl, she bought the bathroom cleaner stuff. She said she sprayed that in her bathtub and shower. She let it stay on, and then she just rinsed and wiped it down. And it cleans wonderfully. I'm going to get some of that. Some of you ain't got to work too hard at scrubbing. Okay, I'm going for real now. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye. Let me hold up what I really like. out of all these things. There's two things I really, really, really like. Toothpaste and this body wash. Okay. Bye.